10 questions to ask yourself to get more consistent and achieve your goals. 1. What are my goals? This question is important because it helps you to clarify what you want to achieve. If you don't know what your goals are, it's going to be difficult to stay consistent. Once you know what you want to achieve, you can start to develop a plan to get there. 2. Why are these goals important to me? This question helps you to understand your motivation. Why do you want to achieve these goals? What will achieving them mean to you? When you understand your motivation, you're more likely to stay motivated, even when things get tough. 3. What are my biggest obstacles to consistency? This question helps you to identify the things that are getting in the way of you achieving your goals. Once you know what your biggest obstacles are, you can start to develop strategies to overcome them. 4. What are my strengths and weaknesses? This question helps you to understand your strengths and weaknesses. You can use your strengths to your advantage and work on your weaknesses. You can also look for tools and resources that can help you to overcome your weaknesses. 5. What kind of environment do I need to be successful? Some people need a quiet place to work, while others need to be surrounded by people. Find an environment that works for you and stick to it. 6. What kind of support do I need? Do you need a coach, a mentor, or a friend who will hold you accountable? Do you need to join a community of people who are working towards similar goals? Find the kind of support that you need and don't be afraid to ask for help. 7. How will I track my progress? Tracking your progress is a great way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Choose a tracking method that works for you and stick to it. 8. How will I celebrate my successes? It's important to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. This will help you to stay motivated and keep moving forward. 9. What will I do if I have a setback? Everyone has setbacks. It's part of life. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. 10. What am I willing to give up to achieve my goals? There may be things that you need to give up in order to achieve your goals. Be prepared to make those sacrifices. By asking yourself these questions, you can develop a better understanding of yourself and what you need to do to be more consistent. When you're more consistent, you're more likely to achieve your goals.